What's good, everybody? What's going on? Let's get into this one real quick so I can finish this video before I reach my destination while I take this drive. Let's talk about how a secured credit card works. So, how a secured credit card works. First of all, let's talk about what a secured credit card is. A secured credit card is a credit card you get from a bank that you use your own money to put a deposit on, which acts as your credit limit. So if you get a secured credit card and you put down $200 or $500, that's going to be your credit limit. Okay, but you actually have to take your own cash and put a deposit down and use it as your new credit limit. So when you get the card, you go out, you start using it, and you buy some things, you go buy groceries, go get your gas or whatever. What you should do is, because it's a secured credit card and you're using that card to establish good credit and good credit history, you want to make sure you pay this card off completely every month, on time, all the time, as long as you have that secured card. All right, you want to show the banks that you're credit worthy. You want to build a reputation that you can handle using a credit card. The banks want to see that you can pay your bills on time. Now, there's something in the FICO score called credit utilization, which is 30% of your credit score. And credit utilization, all that means is how much money you use of your credit limit. It's your balance compared to the limit that you have in the card. So what you want to do is, you don't want to use no more than 30% of your credit limit. Now, don't get that 30% confused with how FICO uses your credit utilization as 30% of your score. This 30% of your limit is what you're going to use as your new credit limit. Excuse me. What I mean is, if you have a credit limit of $100, just for example, if you have a credit limit of $100, you only want to use $30, okay, of that credit limit. Right, 30% of 100 is $30. So you don't want to use no more than $30 of that $100, which is your credit limit. So in actuality, if you put $200 on that secured card and that's your limit, well, you don't want to go over 60. Now, even though that's your new credit limit, you don't want to go over $60 of that $200 on your new secured card. You don't want to carry your balance over to the next month. So just pay off that whatever you buy on your secured card, just pay it off by the due date and leave a zero balance every month you have your secured card. Okay, that way your credit utilization percentage stays zero every month. The banks will definitely see that you can handle having your credit card because you pay it off every month. Your balance stays at its lowest. And what will happen over time, maybe after about 6 months, they will upgrade you to a secured card. You'll get upgraded to the secured card. They'll give you back your balance. They'll give you back your credit limit that you deposited for the secured card. They give that back to you, and they will give you whatever it is, $200,000, $500,000 as your new credit limit that they'll give you from the bank to use like a regular card without a deposit. So you get back your deposit and they give you money with no need for a deposit, like a regular card. And when you get the card, more than likely, which normally happens, if you go check your credit report and your credit score, you may see a decent jump in your credit score. Because now you have another card that's giving you a new credit limit. So now you have more available credit. So you should see a little boost in your credit score now. So, which is cool. So you've built your credit using that secure card. Now you want to keep those same habits that you have with your secure card now with your upgraded unsecured card. And that's really about it. Don't feel bad because you may have less than desirable credit and you have to go put down money to get a secure card. Don't, feel some kind of way because you have to do that. That's a great way to start building your credit at that point in time. And it's temporary, provided you do the right thing, like I just advised you to, and, use it. Don't buy nothing stupid that you can't afford, okay, and pay it off completely by the due date. Don't go out and take yourself on a shopping spree, and just because it's a certain holiday or whatever, don't go out and run up that card buying gifts. All right, this is you trying to establish credit so you could have even better credit and more available credit in the future. Okay, so go out, get your secure card, do what you got to do, build your credit, and I hope you got some value out of this video while I'm driving. Okay, if you did, if I helped you out in any way, please, give me a like, hit that like button. If you didn't like my video, hit the don't like. I don't care. It's all good. I appreciate all opinions. You know what I'm saying? Give me that thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't matter. At least subscribe to the channel also. You know what I'm saying? And till next video, I'll see you later.